Hey guys, so today I am showing you this look right here. This is like a very pastel purple spring eyeshadow look, and it's a full face. So most of the products that I'm using today are drugstore, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using my e.l.f. putty eye primer like I always do, and my Wet n Wild, no, not Wet n Wild, my e.l.f. concealer brush. And just applying that on my eyes, my eyelids. Obviously not in my eye. That would not be good. I did my nails for this look because I thought, because it matches this look so perfectly, because they're like that lilac purple. I love it. It looks so good. I haven't actually painted my nails in like with an actual color in a long time. Like most of the time I just put a base coat and then put down some sparkles and call it a day. But today I decided that I would do this, and I bought this specifically for this look because I've been planning these looks since like months ago. Like some of these spring looks that I'm doing, and this one was one of them. And I got this nail polish specifically for this video because they're so cute. I love the color so much. And then I'm going to use, I think this is going to be one of my new like staple products for when I don't have a cream color in a palette, because this doesn't have one. This is Wet n Wild Brulee single eyeshadow. Oh, come on. And I think I'm going to use this a lot because I'm always setting I always have to set my inner corner of my brow bone. Otherwise I bring my shadows up too far and it like will stick there, so that it can't be like blended away or anything. So it's kind of my trick. But I'm using the Real Techniques shading brush. I already saw the palette pretty much. I'm going to use the Violets by Juvias Place and this color. Oh my gosh, like look at that, it matches my nail. My nails, not just my nail, wouldn't that be funny? It would look horrible. But I'm going to take that shade on my Real Techniques Essential Crease brush, and I'm going to put that in my crease, like all over the crease, and just really blow this shade out all over. So then I'm going to do my lid, and there's basically the exact same color, maybe a little bit lighter, in a shimmer, like metallic. So I'm going to take that on my Morphe M421 brush, I believe this is, and just take a lot of that product on the brush. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Rose setting spray, and I'm going to spray my brush with that shadow, so that way it has really, really good pigment. It just helps with the pigment. This this is really good on its own, but this just helps make it even more stunning, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna leave this like outer corner portion alone because I'm gonna do like a half cut crease kind of thing, sorta. More like a gradient effect with another shade, so I'm leaving that part blank. But look at that shadow. Like, it's so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe M124 brush, just a bigger brush. And I'm going to take this shade right here, and it's like a warm, like way more warm toned than the other ones. In this palette. It's very different, and it just looks so good with this other shade like right next to it. So I'm taking that on that brush, and I'm just gonna pack this down on the outer portion of the lid, just like that, and kind of blending it upwards towards the crease and into like this outer corner crease area a little bit, so it looks kind of more uniformed, just like that. And then I'm blending it towards the middle of the eye, and like I'm gonna go back in with this brush and just get a nice seamless blend in the center, basically mixing those two shades, and it looks so pretty. I love it so much. It looks so good. And then just go in with a little more of that matte purple, like light purple shade, and just blend in the crease a little bit, just to help it all look uniformed. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to use this Milani Bright Side Illuminating Primer to prime my face. Going to do foundation. I'm going to use my Tarte Face Tape foundation. I haven't used this in a really long time, and this is a perfect color for me, so I'm going to use it today. It's literally my perfect match. e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, and just blend this in. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And now I'm going to use my Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunkissed. And this is more of a cooler toned product, so it's going to look really good with the eyes today. I'm going to use my Morphe JH02 brush and bronze up my face with that. And then I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster and my Morphe M523 brush and contour my face. Okay, so my camera cut out at me. I don't know when it did that. Just used my Essence, the blush in the shade Believing on my cheeks. And, for highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution. I think this, I don't remember what this is called. I think it's called the Face Quad. And this one is the light one. And I'm using this white shade right here. It's so perfect for my like pale skin. And I'm using this Ducare highlighting brush from Amazon. And I'm just going to highlight my face with that white shade. And it looks so good with the eyes. And the blush and all of the cheek products I used are like more cool toned. So it all like matches the eyes. So I love that. I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. And I'm going to set that with my e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. To make sure it doesn't move around. So then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with that same highlighter I used on my face. And I'm going to put the Essence Kajal eyeliner pencil in white in my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes with my e.l.f. Pro Eyelash Curler, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. Lashes, I'm going to use these Kiss Look So Natural lashes, and these ones are in Shy, and I'm going to use the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. Lashes are on, and I really like them. They look really good. So now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick in Bare All, which is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's so like pale, very pale nude, and it just looks really good with the like pastel purple eyes. I'm going to top that with a gloss, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick, and this one is in Costume Bare Naked, which is a really weird name. I'll just put that on. That is the finished makeup tutorial. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.